I am grateful for many things in my life that bring me joy and comfort. I trust that what's meant for me is already mine, regardless of how and when it is mine. I am worthy of beautiful endings and exciting beginnings. I allow my voice to be heard, my thoughts to be expressed, and my vision to be seen. I am open to things working out for me. I am open to receiving abundance. I am open to connecting with my highest self. I am eternally grateful for all of the blessings I have in my life. I am happy and grateful for everything I have and receive daily. I constantly remind myself to enjoy all the good I have in my life right now. I express deep appreciation for the small steps I achieve each day. With every breath I take, I am bringing more and more gratitude into my life. Today, I will concentrate on taking one step forward, however small. My life is meaningful and important. I am a valuable contributor to the greater good. I am worthy because I say so. My worth is in my hands. I release the amount of pressure I put on myself. I give myself permission to trust myself, my guidance, and my intuition. All the good in my life comes to me as a result of my willingness to find happiness in each moment. Every kind word I express comes back to me multiplied. Everything that is happening now is happening for my ultimate good. I realize there will be obstacles, but I have the strength to get through them. I choose to be kind to myself and love myself unconditionally. I see problems as challenges that evolve me and make me grow. I always treat others the way I expect to be treated. Each day, even if it's for a few minutes, I'm going to stop and be grateful for all of life's beauty. Every day, I'm going to be more mindful of all of the small blessings that I should be thankful for. I am thankful that with each experience, I become a better version of myself. I create the possibility of happiness for others by being happy. It does not matter what other people say or do. What matters is how I choose to react and what I choose to believe about myself. I return to the basics of life: forgiveness, courage, gratitude, love, and humor. I am creating a life that feels good, and I am in charge of my happiness. Happiness is within me. I base my happiness on my own accomplishments and the blessings I've been given. I am humble and continue to learn every day. Being kind toward others is very important to me, and I exercise kindness throughout my day. As I focus on compassion, I naturally relate to others with love and understanding. I am not afraid of what could go wrong. I am excited about what could go right. Where I think I am lost, I am ready to feel found. As I forgive myself, it becomes easier to forgive others. I have the freedom and power to create the life I desire. Day by day and thought by thought, I am creating my ideal life. I am grateful for everything, the good and the bad, because it made me. I am ready to encounter opportunities I never thought were possible. Today, I choose to think positively and create an amazing and successful life for myself. Subscribe and like for more relaxation and inner peace every day.